Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply top and bottom border in Excel selected cells. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to apply top and bottom border in selected cell. Now I am select the first cell. Then go to the home menu. Select the borders drop down menu. At first select the top border. Go back again and choose bottom border. Then go to the file menu and select the print option. Then check the preview. We can see we add top and bottom border in selected cell easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.